are you waiting for, sister?
My husband, Maxwell Mwale. He was supposed to be released today at 5 o'clock. I got here just after 5.
He was released this morning. He's gone, sister.
Max? He got out of jail today. He was supposed to come home, but he didn't.
Are you gonna tell me what happened?
Max Onyamete. He's just disappeared. I'm looking for this guy. Have you seen him? Just trying to find my husband. No one seems to care.
According to a police spokesperson, police are on the lookout for a woman believed to be wearing a green cloak.
Zenzile Mwale, let's have a chat.
I don't understand you.
Talk to us.
I have nothing to say. Do you think that she killed him?
So you're Max's wife, eh?
Did Max send you? What was Max involved with?
You don't know what you're talking about.
You've got to stand up for yourself.
Give me the gun.
We fight. We survive. Going somewhere? Just trying to find my husband. She's gone.
Sometimes it's best to leave our past behind us.
You probably have something to do with it. You took everything from me.
Something doesn't smell right. Where is he? We have a problem. Who are you?
I am just a cleaner.